That's not our friend. You're not our friend, right? You my J Burger food friend. No, I'm going to say good friends. Okay? I'm going to say hi guys are good friends. Okay? Say it with me. Okay? J Barker Brother's new friend. Hi guys. We're going to tell you a story about me, my magic story.
A magic story. What kind of magic story?
Spider-Man now, me,
And
and the lollipop.
a what?
Lollipop.
Lollipop.
Once time, there was JP named J. Barker Brewer and named Spider-Man. No one's there a bunny bop a gum. No one see me at all. A visible bunny bop a gum here. I was doing that. What happened?
What happened?
It's a monster came to here.
Oh my goodness. Then what does Spider-Man do?
Spider-Man directs you. They got spider webs just like this one. See?
Backwards.
Just like that. A saber they shoot the old spider webs. That's the end.
That's the end.
Good job, JP.
Say bye.
Bye.